Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ka Sorkar jelak la Phah penlong gijing Tohkit ke babanya halo ke jinglap ya ke Metïap lalam poot jong Nongïalam ka Awami League u ICQ Ali Khan pana na ke beri kuai ha ke shnong dona boy ke bahap hapo ke East Jandi Hills Strength ha ka pundu truk unai lar ajar phosau ke bajungai kumba 2.1 kilometer na khapu jong kari India ba kari Bangladesh. Uba Preston song berdeu sembut mendirang ba jong gejela ubi kemi ikatrat kampo iyeng ha kejeng keran bekla puthai kubor ha kalai photrik unai lar ajar phosau le thuo ba Sorkar jelak la pentip ya kene kejeng ja shaka high commission jong kari Bangladesh ba kari India ba kumjoru shaka Ministry of Home Affairs ke Sorkar India. Habakili uba Preston ong ba Sorkar kadang habban phale ya forensic test ba hading kata on salak bentip ya kadau tenra lo kejeng yap jong panna.
All along the international border, night curfew was imposed. Until today, we continue to do that. From evening till early in the morning, that curfew is still there. And then we have instructed, be it from the police side or be it from the BSF side, they have to, their duty is to make sure that no one crossing, be it or entering to Bangladesh or crossing the Bangladesh to India. I'm saying because see, since the dead body was found within I think 1.3 kilometers within Indian territory, meaning you understand if he does not cross illegally means how could it be that the dead body was there? One, and number two, or maybe somebody killed him. You don't know. Then ultimately they dump the dead body. Maybe they crossed to India territory. So these are the issues where we are yet to really ascertain what's happening. That's what we don't know yet because see, BSF authority, they keep us informing, they keep us updating about the issue, and because I think you must have seen it in the newspaper, they said even he carried a lot of money or something, but as per the statement, as per the physical possession made by the state police along with the BSF, they did not find anything like it came out in the newspaper. You see, right now we still, we are really confused because, the information we received from the BSF, they said that in fact, there was no question of attempting entering India. That is number one. And then ultimately, I think because from the BTR side, from the Bangladesh side, they claim that the leader of Awami League, he was trying to escape to India, and then he was on the way. But BSF, they verified it and they said it was not like that. But ultimately, after 2 or 3 days, yes, his dead body was found inside, I think 1.3 kilometers inside the Indian territory. What I'm saying, right now, as per the post-mortem, they said that he was killed. But right now, I'm telling I don't have much detail with me because the next steps of action from the state government is we will go for further investigation, and that is for a forensic test. The dead body is right now in the district headquarters of East Jandi Hills at Cleria, and we have informed the higher authority and also the High Commissioner of Bangladesh and the High Commissioner of India, both the countries, and now we are waiting from the Home Ministry what steps is to be taken next. Well, I think it is too early to comment anything because see, ultimately I think we have to go one more steps for verification, and that is forensic test. So that also will do it. So then only we will be able to tell exactly what's happening. They have already identified. I think they are on the way because, as I said to you, MEA and then Ministry of Home Affairs, they are taking care of everything of this, and our responsibility from the state government is only to hand over the dead body to the concerned family members once they reach India, once they reach Meghalaya. See, the dead body can be handed over because see, the sample has been collected. So the sample has been collected. So now it is the duty of the Directorate of Forensic to do the further investigation or the test. But once the formalities is completed, the dead body can be handed over at any time. No, right now I think that situation does not lead to that. Okay, because right now it's only the question that somebody, the leader from Bangladesh, was killed. So, and even from Bangladesh, I don't know what's going on. So I don't think that conclusion can be reached where leading to the investigation of CBI or this that.